Hi, it's Jan Diautry, and if you like barbecue pork, here's a dish with an Asian twist. Succulent, fall off the bone Chinese barbecue ribs. And here's what you'll need to make them. About a 3 or 4 pound rack of pork ribs, some honey, sherry wine, that's optional, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, beef broth, then some sugar, salt, pepper, fresh chopped ginger, and minced garlic. In a bowl, combine all of the ingredients: a cup and a half of beef broth, a half a cup of honey, a fourth of a cup of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sherry wine, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger, or you can use a half a teaspoon of powdered ginger, and 2 minced cloves of garlic. Whisk to combine, and then reserve 1 cup of the marinade for basting. Pour the rest of the marinade over the ribs, cover, and refrigerate for several hours or overnight. When you're ready to cook, remove the ribs from the marinade and place on a baking sheet lined with foil. Sprinkle with salt and pepper, and cook at 325 degrees for 2.5 hours or until done. Every 20 minutes or so, baste the ribs with the reserved marinade for a beautiful caramelized bark. Chinese barbecue pork ribs for dinner tonight. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.